Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Chantel here. Thank you for joining today. If you like what you see and you're a newbie, please do want to subscribe. Also turn on that bell icon so you'll be one of the first to know whenever I put out content on my channel. Thank you so much. Alrighty. Video is the official fashion roast of the highly anticipated movie The Woman King that hits theaters on the 16th of September. I cannot wait. I'll be one of the first people to go and watch that movie because, like I said, it is highly anticipated. Yesterday being the 11th of September, a premiere was held at Film House Cinemas Lagos and the theme was Afro Warrior. A lot of celebrities showed up in tune with the theme, while some not so much. In this video, I am going to be roasting or praising whomever I feel the need to, after giving you my reasons, that is. If you'd like to hear my unbiased take on their fashion choices, then keep on watching. Before we get into the roast proper, I first want to define the word Afro. Like I mentioned, the theme of the red carpet was Afro Warrior, right? Afro is used to describe something that is associated with African people or culture. So in other words, we can say that the theme was African Warrior. Alright, let me just throw that out there. Personally, I feel like this theme was hard to pull off because it requires you getting a lot of costumes just to look like that African warrior. But a lot of celebrities did that, went above and beyond, and I applaud them for that. First person on my list is one of the main acts of the movie, Jimmy Odukoya. He depicted his role in the movie as Oba, walking in with so much presence and authority in this mustard ashoke abada with multicolored patches of same ashoke fabric. Such a proud moment. He looks good. He wasn't going for the warrior theme, even though I would have expected that he looked in tune with the theme, but we can let that slide because he's the star of the moment and I mean he's king. Who are we that he would listen to what we have to say? He really looked good. Ashoke fabric looks very luxurious. I love the way his hair was styled. He paired it with a sword just in case any war from anywhere comes up, he can protect his people. He also sat on the throne. Everything looks really good. I would give him an 8 out of 10 just because he's the king, not because he was in tune with the theme, and just because I love that he's making us proud and all of that. So congratulations, Jimmy, if you ever get to see this video. The second person on my list is Anto of Big Brother. She's representing the Maasai warriors of Kenya. I really stand this look. I wish she would have been more literal though and worn the headdress and had the drawings on her face like the typical Maasai warrior, but notwithstanding, she looks okay. She looks in tune with the theme. She understood the assignment and she delivered. She was styled by any styling. I love the splash of color going on. With the hair look, I'm trying to understand why it's so close to her eyebrows. It's already touching her eyebrow. It just looks really fake. She would have gone with accessorizing. A typical Maasai warrior has some things on their head. She looks very bland. The fabric is nice. I love the necklace. I love the earrings. I would give Anto a 7 out of 10 for this look. Iyabo Ojo is next on my list. Her look is giving me Gladiator Warrior, but make it red carpet worthy. I love the breastplate thing going on. You have to protect yourself as a warrior, right? The alien contact lens doesn't get a pass from me because I mean, it doesn't add to or subtract from this look. Her natural eyes would have been okay. I love the cowrie jewelry, very African in tune. I love the gladiator sandals. I love the spear and the sword. Nice touch to the overall look. The mohawk hairstyle is in sync with the gladiator warrior helmet. So I love the creativity behind that. This look was created by Tiana Styling. I'm guessing you already knew that or you already guessed because this is her type of thing. She excels in this department and I'm here for it. This looks very rich. It looks very much like a warrior. I love the fall thingy going on with the sleeves. Everything about this look is very in tune with the theme. I would give her a 9 out of 10. The next guest on the red carpet is Dala Oruwari. This is the only person that when I saw her look, I'm like, you go girl. Like, she nailed this look. She's depicting a female Zulu warrior. Shout out to Dala's makeup artist for the FX makeup. The thingy going on with her face, those things, everything looks so good. I love the shield. I love the spear. Her eyes tell a story which is very brilliant. To me, it tells the story of a warrior who lost one eye during battle. Yes, I'm extra like that. I think so deep like that. She also displays the tenacity and strength of a warrior with this look. I definitely won't be trying this type of warrior. Do you get that type of thing? Like she's already making you scared of her. Her outfit was designed by the SW man and styled by the grey haired stylist. Ola Grey makeovers and glam by Lady B on the makeup, and they killed it. I'm here for it. I will give her a solid 9 out of 10 for this. The fabric, everything about this is top notch. Tiana of Big Brother done this red dress with a matching over the top gilet and jewelry. There's nothing about this look that depicts a warrior, but I mean, the makeup is the only thing I can even look at and I'm like, okay, yeah, kind of. It's more like a fashion show. It was just on the red carpet to show herself, and yeah, it's understandable being that she's trying to get into the scene. I give them kudos though for the over the top headgear. It looks really good, and I love that it's structured even with the fabric that was used. This is looking like a Lorex fabric, not an Ashoke fabric, and I love how structured it looks, how defined it looks. So I will give her a 5 out of 10. Uti Wachuku is the next person on my list. Uti wore a leopard print cape and he paired it with this striped material for the top and a velvet jumper with a lot of accessorizing going on. Cape to the belt, to the sandals, to the arm cuff and the leg cuff. Everything is going on with this look. Something to note about leopard print is the fact that it's used to signify power, independence, confidence, resilience. So that explains his choice of fabric. The fit of it, we're not going there because warriors don't think about fit. He held a dagger as accessory. I don't know the tribe he's trying to portray, but it's not bad. For score, I will give Uti a 7 out of 10. I'm guessing that with this look, maybe when he takes off the cape, he will not be a warrior with his dagger. See, I can't even crack my head, but I think a 7 out of 10 is befitting. Tiana of Tiana's Empire is next in this over-the-top warrior look. The fact that the crown was made of bones, which signifies strength, in my opinion, gives the story of I have defeated a lot of my enemies and I have their bones on my crown. Do you get that type of scenario? The metallics on the fabric and the gold cuff is reminiscent of a Spartan warrior. I'm here for it. One of my best dressed. She looks really good. I will give Tiana a 9 out of 10 for the way she portrayed this look. Lilia Fair, aka Queen of Akanchawa, is next. Wore this floor-length dress from Erica Moore brand. Nothing warrior about this, but she's giving maybe queen or the mother of the warrior. I'm just giving excuses here. It's a floor-length mix and match white dress with print in front, paired it with matching scarf. For accessorizing, she went with a gold choker, gold dangling beads, gold cuff, and she also has a lariat on her hand. It's nice, but I mean, not in tune with the theme if I'm going by the name Afro Warrior. But if we're just giving it the African vibes, yeah, she checked that. So I will give Lily a 6 out of 10 for this look. Bam Bam is next in this floor-length halter neck dress. She paired it with a 4/4 thingy. She's holding it. Accessorize this look with carries on her hair, a gold neck piece, loads of rings, gold cuff on both hands, and a spare. The accessorizing is what is even bringing out the look, not the outfit. The outfit looks too simple. This is just a regular floor length dress. For makeup, she opted for something really interesting with the lips. So she has on black and red. I don't know the tribe she's representing, but this is in no way an Afro warrior look. But I'm here for the African theme, which is what most of them brought. Like I said, pulling off a theme like Afro Warrior requires a lot of accessorizing. But with this Bam Bam's look, I don't know if she's giving warrior or she's giving African. It's a fusion of both of them, but not in the best way. I will give Bam Bam a 6 out of 10 for this. Saga of Big Brother is next in this Buddha-inspired outfits, body paints, and this red fabric just strategically placed on his body. He accessorized with this neck piece and gold cuffs with rings and a cowrie armband. There are just a lot of things going on with this look, and I will give him a 5 out of 10, at least 5 for efforts, because he I don't know what he was trying to give, but he tried to give something. Next person I'll be talking about is Khalid of Big Brother, and I'm trying to understand what is going on here. He wore a green suit with Converse and a white button down shirt underneath, with this jacket that just drapes on the jacket. He's wearing like 3 layers of clothing because he's trying to do what I don't understand. What were you thinking? The suit was made by Local World, which I don't think looks bad on its own, but for this red carpet, nah. He was styled by Isabella on Instagram. What is this Ankara thing doing on his shoulders? Maybe he could have even just worn the Ankara jacket with the white button down shirt and the green pants without the green blazer. It seems to me like he just got on the red carpet and he saw that he was not in sync with the theme at all, and then someone just gave him this thing, say, I bet just drape him, you go enter the African theme. Zooming in, you can see that the hem of the kimono, whatever this thing is on top of him, is loosening. It wasn't well sewn. You're supposed to be making a debut on the red carpet, getting into the celebrity scene. This is not how you do it. What's this? He accessorized with plenty silver rings and a silver bangle. Why are you even sitting on the upper seat? Why? I'm going to give him a 3 out of 10 because what's going on here? Idia Aisen is next on my list. She rocked this red, black, and gold combo dress. It has a black cape in case she wants to fly as a warrior that she is. It's made of velvet, that's the red part of it, and it has some gold trimmings. It also has a low neckline that shows her cleavage, tie, detailed sandals, which is giving the Gladiator vibes. Accessorized with silver hoops, silver collar, and silver arm cuffs. It's giving red carpet, but is that the theme? I love her bantu knots. I really love that. It looks really good and it ties in well with the look. Maybe a next century warrior, but not in the century that we're in. She looks good. The fit of it on her looks nice. I will give Idia a 7 out of 10 for this look. Hawa Magaji is the last person in this fashion roast. She's wearing this dress from Caviar Woman. This is an Ankara floor length dress with black and yellow. It's beaded on the top area. She paired it with a gold neck cuff and this very interesting pair of earrings. Dark sleeves with the white contrasting going on. She also has some white dots on top of her brows and on her forehead area. I love her hair choice. Really nice. She also paired it with gold cuffs on both arms and a spare, right? A wooden spare. I really love the makeup and the hair. Really well done. Her makeup was done by TMT by Lainka, and her hair was done by My Hair and Extension on Instagram. Judging by the theme of the day, I will rate her a 6 out of 10 for this, because I mean, this is just like an Ankara dress. You're going for a red carpet event, but it's not giving anything extraordinary. It's not something that will wow me. It's just, yeah, a regular red carpet look, but for the hair and makeup, that's really brought it out. So guys, that's it with this fashion roast. Moving over to the best and worst male and female category. Best dressed female category, I would give it to Dala Oruwari. She gave it her all and I'm here for it. I really love everything about this. Her look is giving African, it's giving warrior, it's giving everything it needed to give and even more. Best dress for me for the night. Kudos Dala. Well done to your team. They understood the assignment and they delivered accordingly. Worst dressed female, my list is Tiana. She wasn't in tune with the theme. What's going on here? What's this red look? I mean, do better next time. Maybe she's still searching for the right team to work with, but this is not anything close to Afro Warrior at all. Best dressed male, hands down, has to be Puti. He brought it. This look is giving. I'm here for it. Best dressed male category for me. Worst dressed male, you already know, Khalid. Bruh, what's happening? This is not coming to America. I don't know who advised him. Maybe he thought that if he puts that cape, we'll say he's the prince of Zamunga or whatever. Explain why you have on a suit on an African themed red carpet. No. Worst dress category, male. Yeah, you should also let me know your worst and your dress in the comment section per usual. Give this video a thumbs up, share, subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
episode.